Hey, what's going on everyone? Todd G here. In this Internet Income System Compensation Plan, Commissions, Review, and Bonuses video, I'm going to explain the Internet Income System Compensation Plan, the commissions, and how you get paid from IIS. But first, I would appreciate it if you click on the subscribe button below and like this video by clicking on the thumbs up below as well. And if you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you how to access some awesome bonus package when you decide to partner with me and sign up to the Internet Income System Review with my link below this video. Okay, let's jump right in to see the Internet Income System Compensation Plan and commission structures. I'm actually going to let marketing legend Chris Record explain the compensation plan in his own words. He does a fantastic job of summing up the comp plan along with all the tools, training, and everything in this short video.
Can you explain the difference between creator and builder? Sure. In the Internet Income System has 4 core line products. These are the ascension model. You start as a builder. This is where you start building your business. The next step is a creator. This is where you start creating content and actually building out socials and stuff like that. The next step is a mentor. This is where you start to get some mentorship. This is where you really start to level up your mindset, be able to level up your motivation, seeing yourself as an actual leader. And the last is master. This is mastery. This is the ascension where you're actually starting to master some skills. You're starting to really think about things from a 30,000 foot view. Like, how does it all play together? How does taxes work with this? How do commissions work? Should I have a corporation or not? How can I start taking some of the money I earn and have a wealth building strategy with it? So it's an ascension model from builder, creator, mentor to master. Builder is $100 a month, and that essentially gets you access to all of the training and software to be able to start building your business. So for builder, you're setting up your business. You're basically referring people. It's the affiliate program. So at builder, you're getting training, software, and the affiliate program and opportunity, right? You're getting opportunity. That's where you build. Creator is the next step up, and that's where you start to unlock, thousands of done for you videos, bonuses that'll help you start creating stuff inside of a Atlas bonuses, all kinds of stuff that'll help you actually go out there and start building a social network that could eventually, hopefully, be big enough that it just creates passive income off of all the traffic. Social media is like the new lead generation. It's like building a list. If you could just learn to create social profiles and start scheduling content to them and then have a link in the bio and everything kind of drives back to that link, it's called social selling, and you can do it all invisible. No one even needs to know it's you. So when you kind of master that, you could build out tons and tons and tons of brands all over the place. It's sort of the dream situation. But we don't start with that. We start with builder because it's better just to start making some money. Creator is a little bit more long-term. You're becoming a creator online. And then mentor and master are essentially the ascension models of like you becoming the person. Now it's less about building and creating. Now it's actually about you becoming the type of person that's thinking successful, that has the right mindset, that has the right personal development, that has the right skills, that understands how to be able to take this business that's making money and how to be able to scale it. How to be able to scale it to higher light. How can I start outsourcing? How can I pay somebody to set up a channel? How can I get a partner with somebody, build a whole channel by AI? They're doing all the work. I'm coming up with the ideas. And you start thinking of these types of things at that next level. The prices, builder's $100 a month, creator's $250 one-time fee, mentor is $1,000 one-time fee, master is a $5,000 one-time fee. As far as commissions, compensation, the builder is $100 a month. When you refer somebody, you keep it all. It just pays one person, direct refer, all the money. So when you refer somebody that joins at Builder, the $100 a month just comes directly to you. The reason we do this is because now it only takes one sale, one referral, and yours is covered. And let's say you also get high level as a tool, one more referral, and that's covered. You know what I'm saying? Any new tools you want, you can now cover. Like, let's say you wanted to join like an MLM or something, and they have an auto ship for $200 a month. Just do 2 more referrals, and then that business is free. No matter what you want to do, it's just the best way to be able to fund your business. So any tool you want, you're like, oh my God, I want these AI tools. There's like 5 tools. They're like $20 each. I want ChatGPT 4. I want Midjourney. I want these tools that like take my photos and super optimize them. So let's say you want those tools. Just refer one builder and boom. Now those tools are paid for. So builder on the front end is how we allow you to be able to self-fund your business so you don't need to be sinking too much money into it. And then creator, it's $250. When you sell it, it pays 40% commissions to you and it pays a 40% matching commission to the referring affiliate, right? So 40% to the direct referring affiliate, 40% to their referring affiliate. So it works like this. When a customer buys the $250 creator package, they pay in 3 payments. Payment 1 goes direct to the referring affiliate. Payment 2 goes to the next up referring affiliate. Payment 3 goes to the company. So payment 1 is $100, payment 2 is $100, payment 3 is $50. The reason we do it like this is it's a 2-tier affiliate program. So every time a sale is made, two people are paid, affiliate 1, affiliate 2. And we do that to give you opportunity, because what happens if you go and recruit 100 people that are all affiliates? Every time they make a sale, you get a matching check, you get a matching bonus, that's where real money comes in. Now you can turn this into a 6-figure opportunity. So that 3-pay system is on Creator. It's also on Mentor. So when somebody buys Mentor, they're going to make 3 payments. Payment 1, $400, goes to the referring affiliate. Payment 2, $400, goes to the next up referring affiliate. Payment 3, $200 goes to the company. And then Master's the same way. First payment, $1,000 goes to the referring affiliate. Second payment, $1,000 goes to the next up referring affiliate. Third payment, $3,000 goes to the company. A little more goes to the company because masterminds take money to run. You know, the venues, food, all this kind of stuff. Like this mastermind is going to be thousands and thousands of dollars this month. So it's important to kind of understand that's the core line compensation. Everything else inside of internet income system, you go in the marketplace and you swap out links. Okay. So here's the thing I want you guys to understand is I know you're all different personality types. The engineers that are in here are like thoroughly wanting to understand the compensation plan. You know, the C personality types. The D personality types, the aggressive, alpha, take action type people, you know, leaders. You guys are wanting to understand this compensation plan enough that you can go out there and you can build and lead an organization. You might be able to get up and do a training like this. That's your reason why you're learning. To the S's and the I's, the other group, the people that are a little bit more reserved or just people oriented in general, not so much task or not so much detail oriented. It might be a little overwhelming for you. You might hear me rattle it off, but here's my challenge. You should all learn this. You guys should all learn this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know you guys talk about clipping, but like, yeah, clipping's cool, but like you should know this compensation plan. It is very simple. In fact, if you were to go out and learn a multi-level marketing compensation plan, those are incredibly difficult. Every single one, they're incredibly difficult to learn. 95% of the company couldn't even explain it. This is easy. It's an easy compensation plan. It's easy to understand. It's easy to learn. It could take you 1 hour if you put your mind to it. So one of my challenges is learn the comp plan. Learn it, understand it. Okay?
Wow, awesome stuff. I love how Chris Record teaches and communicates. He is a master at being able to communicate and teach people of all levels, especially beginners. Now, I go into more details about the Internet Income System compensation plan, commissions, and how and when you get paid in another video that I will link to below. I will also link to the complete YouTube playlist with all of the Internet Income System review and bonus videos. So when do I get paid from the Internet Income System? Excellent question. Here are the details. This is actually an easy answer. You get paid immediately. Yeah, that's right. You get paid immediately directly to your Stripe account. But this is super cool as most online companies hold payments for several weeks, up to 45 to 60 days before you get paid. So the instant commission payments is one of the biggest benefits of the Internet Income System. Now make sure you click the link below to get all the details about the Internet Income System review and bonuses, and also get all the details about the amazing bonuses worth over $2,000 with the Atlas Academy, reviewed by marketing legend Chris Record. So that's how and when you get paid, the commissions, the compensation plan, everything you need to know about payments for the Internet Income System. Okay, that's it for this Internet Income System compensation plan, commissions, review, and bonuses video. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.